Okay.
People complain about corruption, okay? Like when they are to get jobs from the district, they are charged the money and heavily, yet they are poor, which is a challenge or a big issue, which is part of our report. Of course, some services, health centers, you know, some don't have drugs or have little, okay? Then schools, of course, we discovered there are some parishes without government primary schools, yet there are many other parishes with many government schools. Yet the policy was that, or the policy is that at least every parish should have a government primary school. There are some parishes which don't have, okay? Yet others have many. You find one parish with more than 2 government schools.
We have funding that has been deliberately put aside, and this has been a deliberate effort from our president, definitely, to see that the youth of this country have something to do for themselves. There could be some issues why maybe some youth have not been empowered to this level like we are talking about, but these are management or administrative issues, and these are case-by-case studies.
So we are not like any other task force that comes openly and shouts and asks, look for publicity. We are down and we are delivering, thanks to the wisdom of our chairperson, Honorable Bati. We are moving.